Hey, Doc Martinez here, and today I am doing my bottle haul. The reason I'm doing it today is because I had my live last night and it got a little bit too much fun and I forgot to do it during the live. So here we are doing it today. It's a pretty quick one, so not gonna take too long, but let's get started. I'm gonna start with my bottles that are not whiskey, so we're gonna do non-whiskey bottles first. So first of all, I'm gonna start off with this American gin. As you can see, it's the Deadpool. I have not seen the movie. I'm hoping to see it soon. I have not been in the movies since before, the pandemic, but here you go. I got this and hopefully I get to go see that movie sometime soon. Next, I finally got one of these. This is something I've been searching for. I'm not a big tequila person, but this Fortaleza is one that's pretty hard to find. You'll notice from the top, and a friend of mine helped me grab this from one of the stores, and I'm pretty excited. So there you go. Next on my list is this. It's Cutty Shark. It's a blended Scotch whiskey. She was actually traveling and thought of me and brought this for me, so it's one I've never tried. Pretty excited. It's always fun when you get to try something new. Last of the non-Scotch is this. It's an Armagnac. It's a special one for me. It's a 1975, as you can see. It's 1975, as you can see right there. The reason I got this is because that's my date of birth. And don't tell anybody, that's also my wife's date of birth. Something that I didn't think I'd ever see one with our date of birth on it, so pretty excited. And I want to pop this open with my wife so we can try it together. All right, next is this one. I'm pretty excited about this one. It's called a Cut Above. It's a bottle and bond bourbon, which means it's 100 proof. And it's made at the Crittenton Distillery. This one is special to me because it was given to me by Darth Vader Eats, and anytime I get something, I'm pretty excited. This one, pretty excited. It's something I want to try. So here's another one I'm pretty excited about. JT Mellick. There's a lot of good things being said about this one, and I'm lucky that I finally get to try one. This was also sent to me, and it was sent to me by Jessica and Paul Bro.
Thank you, bro.
I did have a sip of this one time, and it was at Shane's, and I really enjoyed it. So now I'm glad I have my own bottle so I can, kind of sit back, enjoy it by itself, and just have some good pours with it. I'll show these two together. So I picked these up, 1792s, and if you're watching my live last night, you'll know that I gave one of these bottles away. So the winner won one of these. I believe it was the Sweet Wheat. I'll have to check it. I'll get everything set up. But I got these two bottles and I gave away one of my live. Next, I finally got this. The Tater Derby Woodford Reserve, Double Oak Reserve. This is once again from New Braunfels Bourbon. Lots of great picks. I haven't tried this one. I run out of my regular one. I haven't bought one because I knew this was coming in. Took a little bit longer than expected with Houston and all that. It got even delayed there a little bit more, but I've never had a barrel pick of this, so I'm pretty excited to try this one, and I will be popping this open pretty soon.
Open it already.
It was actually that my first old fashions that I really enjoyed were made with Woodford Double Oak, so real close to my heart on that. Next, if you're watching my live, we popped this open. I shared this. It's Evernorth, but this is also from New Braunfels Bourbon. They did a barrel pick with them. This is the pick they did. I had it last night without a lot of other pours. I did like it, but I need to go through this and try it again by itself without having all those other pours with it. I remember being a little bit hot last night, but I don't remember quite why. But hey, I got this one to try now, and so I definitely will be drinking some of that. Might as well stick to the tater. Got a tater box. I got a Blanton's. I'm getting these, and a lot of this is also so that when I do my 2,222 subs, this could be one of the bottles that might be in it if I haven't traded or given it away or done anything else with it. But that's why I keep picking these up.
What do you mean?
I also got this in a raffle. We did a raffle, got this one. So pretty excited. I do have one of these already. And the funny thing is, I have it up there. I haven't had a pour in a while, and I guess I need to go do that again. But if you watch my lives, you know I do right now I have a box that has a combination. I'm doing the stag. I'm thinking this might go in there sometime soon. I have one or two other bottles I'm thinking about, but this might be one of the bottles that goes in there. So let me know if you would like to be able to win this by using that, by playing that game. So let me know.
Let's play a game.
Picked up another E.H. Taylor small batch. Have a few of these. I like E.H. Taylor. I like all their pours. They have some really good pours. I was actually able to try the Warehouse C pour not just recently, and that was a good pour. I really enjoyed it. It was nice, something to check off my, my bucket list. So I got to try that. But I have another one here in each small batch. Last but not least, Heaven Hill Grain to Glass, right? This one is the bourbon, right? The Kentucky bourbon. They had the rye and the bourbon there. By the time I got the rye was gone. This is the only one I got to get. Hopefully I'll pick up the other two. I would like to pick up the rye, and that was the other one. Was it a wheat, or I don't remember what the other one is, but I do want to try all of them. So hopefully I do get to pick up the other two so I can compare them, and maybe I'll do a blind with them. I hear good things about this, and overall, Heaven Hill, I like most of their products.
Don't you like it?
So there you have it, my bottle haul for this last month. Not a big one, but I enjoyed it. It's a nice one, and I've enjoyed a lot of things that I picked up, and I'm enjoying a lot of things I get to taste. So thank you everybody who sends me stuff. Thank you everybody who sends me samples. I have all of them getting set up, so I can do some fun stuff with that.
I just want to have fun.
So what do you think about my whiskey haul? Is there anything on here that I need to try this month and do a review on so I can share with you guys? Let me know. What did you pick up? Let me know in the comments below any special bottles that you might have picked up. Also, what should I be hunting? Is there anything that I should be hunting for this coming month? I haven't really looked. I normally like to go look and see what's coming out, and I haven't done that recently. Thank you again for joining me on another journey down my bourbon rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends, cheers.